All right, so it is break time for me. I've been working on my vehicle all day. Everything looks good. I had to even go to the library this morning to, print out insurance. In Colorado, you have to have proof of insurance, and it is a law in order to drive or register. So I've got this crack in my windshield. This is not obstructing my view, so I'm okay. Wintertime comes, yeah, then it's probably going to get bigger along with the other side where, it is broken more. I have like a spider crack there. But otherwise, this thing is in good shape. And I mean, $24.99 for an oil change. Plus, I got some new wipers, $40. That's it. That's it on this thing today. So I got really lucky. Registration I thought was a little high, but she didn't base it, she said, on the sale price, but on where you live. So I thought that was interesting. So yeah, they didn't need the bill of sale. I did get one just in case, just the title, and everything looks great. I really got lucky. I do need to get a spare tire. There isn't one in here. And the rotors do not look like they look like they're worn evenly. So not a real serious issue yet, but something to make sure I do get done down the road. So I really got lucky with this thing. And just what 20 well 2,300 to buy the thing, and what I put into it besides registration, $40. That's it. So good deal.